Hello fellow plant enthusiasts, I'm Steven from Steve's Propagation Corner, and today we're back with a kickback and chill episode of The Foliage Files. Today, we're diving into 10 easy care, drama-free plants designed for those with busy schedules. These companions not only bring a refreshing vibe to like any space, but they practically flourish on minimal maintenance. Sometimes you just want to get home after work and you don't want to have to deal with, oh my god, my plants are dying, why are they dying? You don't got time for that. Stay tuned as we discover the ideal plants to turn your indoor space into a tranquil oasis. Thank you for joining me. Let's get started. First up is the snake plant, also known as Sansevieria. Perfect for those with a busy lifestyle, this plant thrives in low light and requires minimal watering. Its long, slender leaves, which resemble a snake, give it its name. Ideal for beginners, the snake plant tolerates low light conditions and can even survive drought-like environments. Just set it and forget it. Next is the pothos, a versatile and hardy plant that thrives in various lighting conditions and is easy to propagate. Even if you're not a plant expert, the pothos would flourish under your care. As a vining plant, most pothos varieties do well in low light situations and only need to be watered once a week. Originating from rainforests where they lived on the forest floor, they are well adapted to indoor conditions. With a range of colors to fit any home style, the pothos makes a great addition to any home. The Raven CC plant is an excellent choice for busy individuals. Known for its tolerance to low light and infrequent watering, this plant is nearly indestructible. It thrives under drought-like conditions and doesn't require much sunlight. With its striking, deep purple leaves that darken over time, the Raven CC plant adds a stylish touch to any home. Meet the spider plant, a versatile and resilient addition to any indoor space. Its cascading, grass-like leaves make it visually striking, thriving best in indirect light. One of its standout features is its ease of propagation, making it an excellent choice for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. This plant is perfect for injecting a vibrant splash of green into your home decor. It's known for its hardiness, tolerating periods of drought, and adapting well to different light levels without compromising its lush appearance. Whether you place it in a bright corner or a shaded area, the spider plant remains a reliable and attractive choice for enhancing any room with its lively presence. Aloe vera is prized not just for its ease of care, but also for its medicinal benefits, thriving in bright indirect light with minimal watering. Its soothing properties make it ideal for skin irritations. However, it's essential to note that aloe vera is toxic if ingested, so it should be kept out of reach of pets and young children, despite its many advantages. This succulent is perfect for beginners due to its low water needs and stunning blooms in shades of yellow, red, and orange. The cast iron plant lives up to its name with incredible toughness, thriving on neglect and low light. Originating from Japan and China, this verdant green beauty excels in low light environments, renowned for its resilience and hard-to-kill nature. It adapts well to varying indoor temperatures and irregular watering schedules, making it an ideal candidate for a self-watering planter. Its slow growth rate means you won't be rushing to repot it anytime soon. The heartleaf philodendron is widely favored for its resilience in different light environments, making it a versatile option that suits both newcomers and seasoned plant enthusiasts. Its lush, deep green leaves, often adorned with bronze speckles, enhance the aesthetic appeal of any room while thriving in partial sunlight. With its slow growth rate, this plant requires repotting only every 2 to 3 years, offering a practical advantage for beginners looking to minimize maintenance tasks. This characteristic makes it an excellent choice for those starting their indoor gardening journey. The jade plant, often referred to as the money plant, is renowned for its robust, shiny, dark green leaves that symbolize financial abundance and prosperity in many cultures. This succulent thrives in bright indirect light, but is also adaptable to lower light conditions, making it exceptionally suitable for individuals with hectic lifestyles. Characterized by slow growth, typically adding about 2 inches in height per year, the jade plant is a low-maintenance choice. It requires infrequent watering and flourishes when exposed to direct sunlight, which makes it an excellent introductory plant for beginners looking to cultivate greenery at home. Dieffenbachia, known for its vibrant foliage ranging from lush greens to creamy whites, it offers a striking presence in any indoor space. Although it thrives in warmer temperatures, it is content with bright indirect sunlight, making it an ideal candidate for placement near a sunny window where it can be left to thrive with minimal attention from busy plant enthusiasts. However, it's crucial to note that Dieffenbachia is toxic to both humans and pets if ingested. Therefore, it should be kept out of reach in households with children or animals to ensure their well-being. Last but not least, the Dracaena, often referred to as the dragon tree, is an excellent option for anyone seeking hassle-free greenery in their home. It thrives in environments with low to moderate light levels, making it suitable for areas that may not receive direct sunlight. This plant's ability to tolerate drought and its low water requirements further enhance its appeal as a low-maintenance choice. Although it prefers bright indirect light, the Dracaena is adaptable and can thrive in a range of lighting conditions. This versatility makes it an ideal addition to indoor spaces, where light levels can vary throughout the day. Whether you place it in a well-lit corner or a spot with subdued lighting, the Dracaena will add a touch of greenery and elegance without demanding constant attention or care. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 easy care plants perfect for those busy people out there. Each one ready to bring a touch of green into your life with no effort. Which one captured your attention the most, or do you have other recommendations you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons. Do all that good stuff, you know what to do. And for those who want to go the extra mile in supporting our mission, you could consider becoming a Patreon or a channel member by clicking the join button under this video or one of the many links down there. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Remember, keep growing and keep thriving. See you in the next video. Thank you for joining me. Once more. Face, giving face, yes, face. Okay, she did not eat today, honey. Can you cuddle that? Yes, just cuddle that shit.